there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be presenting you with 10 quick tips for successful studying and education. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1. Organize your time. Efficient time management is key to success in your studies. Create a schedule that includes dedicated time for studying, exercising, and rest. This will help you maintain balance and achieve optimal results. Tip 2. Practice active learning. Instead of passive reading, utilize active learning methods such as highlighting key concepts, taking notes, and engaging in discussions with peers. This interactive practice helps improve memory retention and understanding of the material. Tip 3. Find your optimal learning style. Everyone has their preferred learning style, whether it's visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learning. Identify your style and adapt your learning methods to suit it for better results. Tip 4. Set goals. Setting goals helps you stay motivated and focused throughout your studies. Consider both short-term and long-term goals and direct your efforts towards achieving them. This will help keep you on track. Tip 5. Actively engage in lectures. Be an active participant in lectures. Ask questions, participate in discussions, and apply the concepts you've learned. This will help you better understand the material and deepen your knowledge. Tip 6. Foster collaboration with peers. Collaborating with peers can be incredibly beneficial during your studies. Organize study group sessions, share notes, and exchange ideas. This will help you develop different perspectives and support each other. Tip 7. Maintain a healthy balance. Don't neglect your physical and mental well-being during your studies. Find a balance between studying, resting, and engaging in recreational activities. Also, take care of your nutrition and exercise regularly to maintain energy and concentration. Tip 8. Utilize available resources. Make the most of the resources provided by your school or university. Visit the library, take advantage of tutoring, and engage in additional courses or workshops. These resources can enhance your knowledge and understanding of the material. Tip 9. Plan ahead. Planning ahead is crucial to avoid stress and prevent procrastination. Create a schedule for exam dates, projects, and other commitments to stay organized and avoid last-minute pressure. Tip 10. Maintain a positive attitude. Your positive mental outlook plays a significant role in achieving success. Maintain a positive attitude, believe in yourself and your abilities. Use affirmations and motivational techniques to sustain optimism throughout your studies. Those were 10 quick tips for successful studying and education. Remember, your education is crucial for your future, so make an effort to implement these tips into your daily routines. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.